Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to change your profile picture on Twitch. So let's start. First open the Twitch app. Now tap on your profile icon on top left corner. Now tap on account settings and go to edit profile. Now on the right hand side you'll see your profile icon. Tap on that. You can choose an existing photo from your gallery or you can take a photo instantly. I'll tap on take a photo. And I'll just randomly take an image. Now tap OK. Crop the photo as you want and tap on the tick icon on top right corner when you are done. Now tap save on top right corner. And that's how you change your profile picture on Twitch. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.